Imagine standing outside at night, far from city lights, where the sky is dark enough to reveal thousands of stars. At first glance, the universe feels calm, beautiful, and strangely close, as if those tiny points of light were decorations placed just above our heads. But the longer you stare, the more unsettling the question becomes. How big is everything out there, and where do we truly stand within it? From the ground beneath our feet, Earth feels massive. Mountains stretch beyond the horizon, oceans seem endless, and continents take days to cross even with modern technology. For thousands of years, humans believed this planet was the center of everything. It made sense. After all, everything we knew existed right here. But science slowly pulled back the curtain. We learned that Earth is not the center, not even close. It is one planet, quietly orbiting an average star we call the Sun. And even the Sun, powerful enough to warm our world and sustain life, is just one light among hundreds of billions inside a single galaxy. This realization does not come all at once. It arrives gently, layer by layer, like zooming out on a map that never seems to end. First, we compare Earth to the Sun. Then to the solar system. Then to the Milky Way. And finally, to the universe itself. Each step outward makes our world feel smaller, yet somehow more precious. In today's story, we are going to take that journey together. We will zoom out beyond our planet, beyond our star, and beyond our galaxy, until Earth becomes almost impossible to see. Not to make us feel insignificant, but to understand something deeper about our place in the cosmos. If you enjoy stories that make you think, wonder, and see the world differently, take a moment to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. It helps the channel grow, and it ensures you never miss another journey into the unknown. Now, take a deep breath, look up at the night sky in your imagination, and let us begin. Earth is vast from a human perspective. We measure distances in kilometers, travel for hours across cities, and spend days flying between continents. Standing on its surface, it is easy to believe that this planet is enormous beyond comprehension. Yet the moment we compare Earth to the Sun, that illusion begins to fade. The Sun is so large that more than 1 million Earths could fit inside it. If Earth were the size of a small marble, the Sun would be a massive beach ball. And still, the space between them is mostly empty. Light itself takes over 8 minutes to travel from the Sun to our planet, crossing a distance that is nearly impossible to imagine from daily experience. As we continue to zoom out, Earth becomes harder to notice. The solar system stretches far beyond the warmth of the Sun, past gas giants and icy worlds, until it fades into darkness. Even here, Earth is nothing more than a tiny dot suspended in a vast, silent arena. But the solar system is not unique. It is only one of countless systems orbiting stars within the Milky Way galaxy. This galaxy is so large that light takes about 100,000 years to cross it. Inside it exist hundreds of billions of stars, each potentially hosting planets of their own. From this perspective, Earth is no longer a dot, but a statistical anomaly lost among unimaginable numbers. And still, the universe continues beyond the Milky Way. Galaxies cluster together, forming structures so vast that human language struggles to describe them. The observable universe contains trillions of galaxies, each filled with stars, planets, and cosmic mysteries we have yet to understand. At this scale, Earth is not just small. It is nearly non-existent. If the universe were the size of Earth itself, our planet would be smaller than an atom drifting in an ocean. It would be invisible, insignificant, and easily overlooked. Yet here lies the paradox. Despite its size, Earth holds everything we have ever known. Every story, every dream, every discovery, every conflict, and every act of kindness has taken place on this tiny world. The universe may be vast and indifferent, but meaning is not measured by size. Earth matters because life exists here. Consciousness exists here. Questions exist here. We are the universe's way of looking at itself, wondering where it came from and what lies beyond. In realizing how small Earth truly is, we do not diminish its value. We amplify it. As we reach the end of this journey, it is worth pausing for a moment. After traveling mentally across unimaginable distances, we find ourselves back where we began, standing on a small planet orbiting an ordinary star. Nothing about Earth's position in the universe suggests importance, yet everything about our experience here tells a different story. Perhaps meaning does not come from size, power, or dominance. Perhaps it comes from awareness. From the ability to look into the darkness and ask questions. From the courage to wonder instead of turning away. When we understand how vast the universe truly is, our daily worries shrink. Arguments feel quieter. Boundaries feel thinner. And the idea that we all share this fragile world becomes impossible to ignore. Tonight, when you close your eyes, remember that you are floating through space on a tiny world filled with oceans, forests, cities, and stories. Remember that you are part of something unimaginably large, yet deeply personal at the same time. If this story helped you see the universe a little differently, thank you for being here. Thank you for listening, wondering, and exploring with us. And now, wherever you are in the world, may your thoughts slow down. May your mind rest, and may the vast universe outside remind you how precious this moment truly is. Good night, and sleep well.